Right, this is Navjot Singh reporting for the traveleditor.com. This is Turkish 73, it's a Boeing 777-300. We're flying from Guangzhou in China to Istanbul International Airport. We're currently at flight level 320 heading towards 283. And it's a very stable and quiet aircraft. We're enjoying the flight. We're about 6 hours away. 6 hours away from touchdown at Istanbul. Should be touching down schedule local time at about 5:30, 5:45 in the morning, local time in Istanbul. Many thanks to Turkish Airlines, the captain and the first officer and the whole crew of this fantastic flight. Turkish 73 is the call sign, and we're on schedule to landing very shortly at Istanbul. It's a very comfortable, quiet and stable flight.